Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another of my bonus plan with me's, and this time I'm going to attempt to use the B6 Strawberry Lime Designs kit designed for the, I think it's for the Print Pression B6 in my B6 planner. And my challenge this week is to only use stickers from my own shop, which I have pulled out here. And also, obviously, the other challenge is using a kit in this planner that is not designed for it. And I don't really know how it's going to work, so that's going to be a bit of fun and games, and I really don't have any clue how it's meant to work in the planner. So this is going to be a bit of a challenge, really. I don't really know what I'm going to do, but we will work it out as we go along. So without any further ado, I'm going to speed up and try and work out what I'm doing. Okay, go. So I'm actually here with Soch, and I am going to be for the next, I think, 5 videos, and we are going to be answering some questions we had from Instagram or doing some games from Instagram. So the first one is going to be us responding to assumptions about us. So the first one is you're not allowed to read them till you react.
Oh.
So the first one is you took your relationship slow instead of rushing things. Kind of, yeah. Kind of. I mean, we were best friends for 5 years? Yeah, 5 years.
Yeah, 5 years.
Before we started dating. And yeah, we sort of took things slow.
We did take things slow with our relationship.
Yeah, I think because we knew we didn't want to ruin our friendship and we didn't want to jump into things. And actually, basically, we had our first kiss and then we sat down and we were like, we need to have a conversation, because if we want this to be a thing, it needs to be a thing, not just a thing. Because it wasn't worth ruining our friendship for anything else.
And then we were distant for a while as well.
Yeah.
And then we moved around and moved where we were living, and then gradually saw each other more and more, and then moved in with each other.
Yeah. First with my parents and then on our own.
Yeah. So yeah, I'd say we took things slow.
You know each other's passwords. Again, kind of. We don't hide each other's passwords, but neither of us really, know our own passwords. Google knows our passwords.
Yeah. So I use Google as a password manager. Hey, knowledge just ran into my face.
And the microphones.
Yes.
Sorry if you heard that.
So my passwords are all random letters, but Google knows them. And I know some of Tilly's passwords, but I always have to ask her.
Yeah, I would never not tell him a password. And I think he knows my Google login, and I know his Google login. No, I don't know your Google login, but only because, again, it's probably a random stream of letters.
It's probably a random stream of letters.
So he could get to any of my passwords if he wanted to. But so kind of.
Kind of.
Somebody said, not an assumption, but this is a gorgeous photo of you, Aith. Thank you. So she doesn't even know which photo it is.
No.
That one.
Oh, that was at Harriet's wedding. That's a nice photo of us.
It is a nice photo of us. You work on different wards/shift patterns, so at times it's like ships passing in the night. Again, yes and no. Yes, it was particularly the third year we were dating. The year we were both working but living in different places.
Yeah.
Kiara's currently playing with a washi tape, so soz if you can hear that. Yeah, it was a bit like that at times then, but since Soch moved here, you've been locuming, so he's been working 9 to 5, and then he's started GP training and is on GP, or is for the next. Actually, by the time you're seeing this video, he's not, but he's been on GP, so he's been working sort of normal hours. So it's just been me working stupid hours.
Yeah, so it probably will be like that when I go on to A&E. So
for the next year, one of us is on A&E, and A&E notoriously has horrendous shift patterns.
It's not good.
Which in turn makes you focus on scheduling quality time together.
Yeah.
Yeah, 100%.
Well, you have to. It's just part and parcel of the medic life.
If you're not gonna see each other, so there's particularly, I think it is going to be much worse with A&E because I have lots of 3 till midnight shifts, so I'm probably not going to be home till 1, and then by the time I've showered, you'll be asleep, and when you get up, I'll still be asleep.
Yeah.
And then by the time you get home from work, I'll be at work.
Yeah.
So it's going to be, so it's going to get even more important over the next 6 months, I think. The next one says that you're the most wonderful couple ever, not an assumption, just pure fact.
I'll take it.
Yeah, I'll take it. I think you can probably guess who that's from. You
Beth?
can. Yeah. And then the next one we've sort of already covered, which is the last one, and it says, you don't get to spend much time together because you both have crazy busy schedules.
We've covered that.
Yeah, but, I mean, we can say something else. Which,
well, yeah.
I have a crazy busy schedule. Yeah. I fill every minute of my day.
That's true.
You? What do you do?
I do stuff. I do things. Time tends to just fly, and I don't know what happens. It just happens.
I'm much more the... Oh my god, the kids are just running up and down the hallway playing with washi tape. I'm much more the planner and organise things, and you sort of just do things.
I just do things. I don't plan things. Like, I say this to people at work. I'm not a man with a plan. I just do things.
But when are you happiest?
No comment.
He's happiest when he knows what he needs to do and has a list. His face is like, I agree with you, but I'm not saying it.
Can we move on to the next question?
That's it for this voiceover. But we'll be back every week in February and one extra. So I'll pass back to Tilly with the finished spread now. So I'm actually super impressed with how I managed to get it to work in the end. I realised, it's designed to do a Sunday start. So if it had been a Sunday start, this one square should have gone here. And then the 28th would have been here. So it would have been a 3 and a 3. So I think like you're meant to do these 3 here, that there, and that there maybe? I don't know. I don't even know how it was meant to work in the normal planners. But I really like how this came out, and I actually quite liked there not being too boxy on the days because it's like nicely framed, and I just used the deco to cover up the repairs I did up there. I actually really like how it came out. What do you think of how it fits in this planner? Obviously it's not designed for it, but it does work quite well. So I'm quite pleased with that. Yeah, and obviously all of the stickers I used other than the kit is from my shop. All that I've got left in the kit is like the 4 spare date dot type things and that tiny bit of this pattern. And yeah, my pen ran out and I switched it over, I was like, why is this writing so grey? It's because it's out. Sad bloop. Anyway, that's it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Comment, like down below. What did you think? Did you enjoy the game in the voiceover? And I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!